Ever notice how your skin gets darker even when you wear sunscreen every single day? Like you are applying SPF 50 regularly, you are avoiding direct sun, you're doing everything right, but somehow your pigmentation and dark spots still get worse. And honestly, I used to think all the sunscreens work the same too until I found that there's a huge difference between simply wearing sunscreen every day versus putting the one that actually protects the skin from the UV rays causing pigmentation. Hi guys, I'm Sneha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a real UV patch experiment on my face in actual sunlight. One side with sunscreen, one side without. I specifically wanted to test La Roche-Posay Anthelios sunscreen is dermatologist recommended specially for sensitive and pigmentation prone skin. Honestly, I take my sunscreen application very seriously and never skip a day. But I need to know whether my sunscreen is genuinely protecting my skin. So these are UV detection patches. They react to UV exposure by turning purple. So the darker the patch becomes, the more UV exposure it's receiving. On this side, I'm applying the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Anti-Dark Spot Fluid SPF 50 Plus sunscreen, and this side gets nothing. The idea is simple. If my sunscreen is truly protecting my skin, the patch on the sunscreen side should stay much lighter. And the reason why I specifically wanted to test this sunscreen because it is designed for pigmentation prone skin, which is a major concern for Indian skin. And to be honest, this isn't just about preventing sun damage, it's about protecting your skin from the kind of UV exposure that makes acne marks, uneven skin tone or dark spots worse. This sunscreen uses UV Immune 400 technology with Mexeril 400, which is one of the most advanced UV filters for protecting against ultra long UV A rays. And ultra long UV A rays are very notorious because they penetrate deeper into the skin and contribute heavily to pigmentation. So even if you're not at the beach, just walking outside, driving, sitting near windows or running errands in Indian summer heat, it exposes your skin to these rays daily. Another thing I love about this sunscreen is that not only it has a superior formulation, but you can see how lightweight it is. It absorbs really quickly, gives an invisible finish, and there's absolutely no white cast. So now I'm heading outside to run a few errands, pick some groceries, grab a coffee, just normal everyday stuff. I think it's the perfect day to test it because that is how my outdoor routine mostly looks. And Indian summers can have insanely high UV index levels, which means your skin is constantly exposed to pigmentation triggering UV rays. Okay, now look closely. This side without sunscreen is already getting much darker, but the patch on the sunscreen side is still noticeably lighter. And honestly, seeing it visually like this makes such a huge difference. Okay, let's see the results finally. This side had no sunscreen and the patch turned dark purple from UV exposure, but this side with La Roche-Posay Anthelios Anti-Dark Spots Fluid SPF 50 Plus sunscreen and the patch is visibly lighter, meaning the sunscreen was actively helping protect against UV exposure. And honestly, this is probably one of the clearest way to actually see sunscreen protection happening. This is why dermatologists always emphasize on broad spectrum protection and advanced UVA filters. La Roche-Posay Anthelios sunscreen range is dermatologist recommended especially for sensitive and pigmentation prone skin. And the Mexeril 400 filter in this sunscreen helps protect against both UVA and UVB rays, including ultra long UVA exposure. As this anti-dark spots version also contains Melasyl, which helps target uneven skin tone and persistent dark spots over time. So if you're dealing with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, acne marks or stubborn dark spots, this makes a lot of sense as an everyday sunscreen. So the next time your skin keeps getting darker despite wearing sunscreen, maybe the question isn't whether you're wearing SPF or not, but whether your sunscreen is actually protecting you from the UV rays causing pigmentation. This is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Anti-Dark Spots Fluid SPF 50 Plus sunscreen, and after seeing the UV patch test in real sunlight, I genuinely get why people love this sunscreen. If you want to try this product, it's available on Amazon. Try it now. I've linked the product in the video itself and also linked it in the description box below. I highly recommend you go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.